Welcome you all. Today we are here with another idiomatic expression, and that is a bull in a china shop. A bull in a china shop, which means someone who is very careless in the way that move or behave, extremely awkward or clumsy person. So someone who behaves very carelessly or behave extremely awkward, or someone who is clumsy person, we could say a bull in a china shop. इसको हम उर्दू में कोई अपने अमल में बिल्कुल ही बेकाबू हो जाए कह सकते हैं. As it is there into this picture that someone who behaves very carelessly in his actions. How we are going to use it in sentences? It is Jack acted like a bull in a china shop. So we have used here a bull in a china shop. Or we told her it was a delicate situation, but she went into the meeting like a bull in a china shop. So once again we have used here a bull in a china shop. This is the arithmetic expression, a collection for all the examinations. It is first year, second year, MA, MSc, BS, and other competitive exams.